Who handles judicial matters in countries without Islamic courts? Okay, so this is quite important because there is a need for it. So, even if you look in the books of fiqh, where a lot of the judicial issues, let's say just relating to marriage and divorce, um, there's it is those rules are generally based around a scenario where you're in a Muslim country and there is a judge who can enforce things that he can tell the husband you need to provide for your wife. If not, and like he'll tell her to go buy whatever you need, and he'll have to pay it or whatever. There are rules like that, and then there's the issues of divorce and these sorts of things. So in non-Muslim countries where you can't do this, there are provisions. Like we can take something from the Maliki school, where I believe if a number of people, say 10, 11 people, or even a smaller number, in a place where there is no judge, like off in the countryside, let's say 200-300 years ago, there's no, some countryside, there's a couple of villages and there's no judge, then there are people with some understanding of the law, or even access to scholars. They can come together and form a body, and based on based on knowledge, and then their decisions will be binding, like a judge's decision. This is provided everyone agrees and stuff. So a lot of people make this big issue about Sharia courts and whatever. It's just there to help solve marriage issues that are within the specific framework of an Islamic marriage, right? So it's not that big an issue. It's just that they don't like the term Sharia court. They think they're being invaded or something. But it's not the case. It's not the case. It's just a case of helping. Because sometimes just two people are just not right for each other, or there's been a case of severe neglect, or let's say domestic violence or something like this, and the lady wants to be out of the situation. Right? I mean, it's easier for the husband because he can just issue a divorce, but the lady wants to be out of the situation. So there's a system in place. So this is one of the ways in which it can be dealt with.
لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله